Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Christy Kakulitan. You can call me Christy for short. I am 37 years old, blessed with three kids, 7 years old, 3 years old, and 1 year old. My height is 157 centimeter and my weight is 55 kilogram. I am undergrad college talk with hotel and restaurant management. I have experience in Kuwait 7 years, for Philippines 2 years. I can take care baby, kids, elderly, pet cleaning, ironing, cooking full Filipino food and Arabic food. But I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. Please hire me as your helper. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir.